Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. We are going to bring the Mark 5 in and we're actually going to give it a good detail. It is pretty damn filthy. It is quite late, so going to head down to the local car wash and wash it there, and then bring it back in here and give it a good detail. Alrighty guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to vacuum it out. The missus just took the dog for a walk, so it's dirty as well. And we're going to have the junk in here. So I'll give it a good vac and then I'll give it a wash. Alrighty guys, it's about 1:15. Done the vacuum, time to wash. Alrighty, finished washing it up. Also did under the bonnet and you'll see why soon. Let's head home. Alrighty guys, it's here, it's been washed. Took me about 20 minutes to wash it. It was alright, doesn't look very good though. Yeah, so I'll probably, missed a bit on the roof. Ooh, that's bad. Oh yes, gonna help out, are you? Yeah. So I'll probably start with the inside windows, guys. Mainly because Marley was in the front seat last night at the drive-in, so he's got fingerprints all over there. Same with these ones. But there is a reason why I'm doing this late at night. Alright guys, got my Ryobi DA polisher. I'm going to attack the bonnet tonight with I'll go just some polish and see how we go. So tonight we'll be using Maguire's Wet Look. See how we go. I'm going to use something to mist up with. Choose Windex, something water based. Alrighty. Still got scratches. Really needs a cut. My cutter is dead. Alrighty guys, I'm going to use this NXT generation, next generation from Maguire's polymer paint sealant. Use the applicator. Alright, while that's curing, I'll just clean the roof. I'm not actually doing a full detail, guys. I'm just doing this for a little bit of a diversion so I can actually work on the engine. So stay tuned. It'll be coming up next episode. Alright guys, it's starting to get a bit cloudy there, so I'm going to get the buff again, which I've cleaned. I'm going to buff it off. Always use 2 rags. When polishing, not right. Remember all them being there. If you've been watching for a little while, last time I did this was actually in the start, like the opening start of most of my videos. And I just went around it like this at the old place. That was just after I did a detail on it. That was the last time I did a detail. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just did a quick detail, kind of, on the Mrs. car to distract her to what I'm actually doing, which is next episode. So I kind of snaked you guys on this one. Sorry. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Click on the video that's going to pop up here.